Thank you for choosing the PureDrop UVF3 LED UV water filter. The filter is designed to be added to any water filtration system with 1/4-inch tubing. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Before we start, carefully read the important safety information and in case of emergency sections in the user manual. A 100 to 240 volt power outlet is required to operate. Ensure all parts are included in your water filter's package and that you have all the necessary tools ready. A conversion fitting may be needed if you have a different size connection. Contact us if you have any product or installation-related questions. Installation. Step 1. Shut off the cold water supply. Unplug the power to the water filtration system and shut off the RO tank valve, if applicable. Turn on the drinking water faucet to release pressure. Step 2. Measure and cut the water filtration system final output 1/4-inch tubing at the desired position. Catch excessive water with a towel. Step 3. Connect the water filtration system final output tubing to the UV filter inlet port. Connect the faucet tubing to the outlet port. Ensure the tubing is inserted 1/2 inch deep to prevent leaks. Step 4. Connect the power supply to the power port and plug into an outlet. Please note that since the weight of the filter is minimal, mounting is not required. If you wish to secure the filter, position the mounting bracket at the desired location and fasten it using the included mounting screws. The bracket can hook onto the back of the filter. Step 5. Turn on the cold water supply. Plug in the power to the water filtration system and turn on the RO tank valve, if applicable. Ensure there are no leaks. Step 6. Turn on the drinking faucet. The status indicator will light up when water flows through the filter chamber. This indicates that the UV filter is on and is working properly. Please note that the UV light only turns on when water passes by. The installation is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you.